A few people have asked me, hey Daniel, how do you get the black bars to open up during your footage like in a Peter Mckinnon video? Well, it's actually not that... There it goes. It's actually not that difficult to do in Filmora. Stick around, I'll show you how.
Hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell to be part of the conversation.
Bring your piece of footage that you want to work with down into your timeline and right-click on it. Then choose Crop and Zoom. From that window, you want to click on the Pan and Zoom option. Now you're going to see two windows, the Start window, which it begins with in default, and the smaller orange End window. Let's reverse those two windows by clicking on the two arrows down in the lower right corner where we can swap the start and end areas. Once we've done that, down in the lower left, let's change the ratio to custom. Now up in the Pan and Zoom window, let's grab the start window on the right-hand side, left click and drag it all the way over to the right as far as it'll go. Now let's do the exact same thing on the left side. Left click, hold, and drag that all the way to the left. This will define the visible area at the beginning of the shot. We want the black bars to start a lot more close, so let's grab the top and drag it down, and let's grab the bottom and bring it up. Now that little plus that's in the middle, we actually want that to line up perfectly with the end window. And you can see this little arrow here is telling us we're a little bit low. So we can adjust this until the arrows go away and we know we're in perfect center alignment. I'm going to start with these a little bit open, but you could drag these pretty much down to completely closed. Let's click OK, and you'll see what that does over this entire clip. It slowly starts opening up those bars. Now, if you want that effect to happen more quickly, all you have to do is decide where you'd like the bars to be completely open, split your footage there, and in the second half of the footage, right-click on that, choose Crop and Zoom again, select Crop, and choose Reset. That will give you a full screen from that point on. So if we start from the beginning, it will speed up the motion of those black bars. Now you could also stop those bars at a specific location by right-clicking on the footage, choosing Crop and Zoom, and then choosing the End window and shrinking that in a bit. Make sure that plus sign is aligned in the center, and choose OK. Then you could split your footage wherever you wanted those bars to stop, select the second half of that footage, choose Crop and Zoom, reverse these two windows, switch over to the crop window, and choose OK. We've covered this in other videos, how to hang on your crop and zoom position. And you'll see here, it'll open up to that spot, and then it'll just stay there. Hey, if you want to learn more Filmora tricks and techniques, check out the video on screen now and the ones I'll post down below. Peace. Hey honey, do we have any more AA batteries?